What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a review on my 1979 DS125. We got this bike in the summer as a project bike, fixed her up, and now we're going to sell it for a profit, hopefully. And but first, before I can do a review, we're going to slap a new bulb in the front headlight. So I'll give you a time lapse of me doing that, and then we'll get into the review. Okay guys, here's our bulb we got to put in, so I'll give you guys a time lapse of me installing that, and I'll see you guys once it's in. There you go, boys, easy as that. So we're going to try and fire up and see if the light works. What we had done before is we had gotten the wrong bulb. We got a 6-volt bulb, and it was supposed to get a 12-volt. They looked the same, they fit the same, but when we got into the higher revs, that electricity just burnt out 6-volt, so we're hoping the 12-volt's going to do it for us. So here we go. It hasn't been running in a while, and it's really cold out, as you've seen if you watched my cold start on the 125 video, but here we go. There you go. That works. Awesome. Light works. Okay, this is review time. So parts we had to replace on this baby was missing a carb, so we got ourselves a new carburetor. Came with a fuel filter. Got ourselves a new air filter. That is like carbon fiber thing. It looks like a jet engine. Looks pretty awesome. We also was missing a kickstarter, so we got ourselves a brand new kickstart. Obviously got that new bulb in there. And I went through, just kind of fixed it up and made it pretty nice. So my opinion on this bike is it should never ever be jumped. Don't ask me why I know that, but when you hit a jump, these forks are so squishy that they'll just bottom out. So this shouldn't be used for jumping, obviously. It's a dual sport. It has the twin shocks in the back. It originally had a plate on the back and a taillight. Both of them we still have. So this could be a good little street legal bike that you could just rip around and get good gas mileage with, and then just sometimes go off-road with your friends. It could be a good like farm bike that you just hop on, cruise around the farm, whatever, do work on it. But it's a good little bike. It's pretty sturdy, starts every time. It's one of our most reliable bikes in here, and pretty nice bike, but don't go trying to jump it. If you're interested in actually getting this bike, we have it posted up on Facebook Marketplace. If you live in the Spokane, Coeur d'Alene area, she's up for sale, so you can buy her. But I'll put that link down to the description if anyone's interested. But thanks for watching this video, and hope you got something out of it. Good little bike here. 1979 DS125. You didn't hear that before, but I think this is going to be the end of this video, guys, and we're going to have a couple more videos coming out soon, so stay tuned. Thanks, guys, and subscribe, and don't forget to send it.